Meanwhile, Malacanang assures the government continues to take steps to further reduce poverty incidents among the people. The palace also said the government has already identified priority areas to alleviate poverty and generate jobs. This report.
The government has enough mechanism to eradicate poverty in the country. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte issued a statement on the report of the National Statistical Coordination Board that the country remained at the 27.9% poverty incidence in the first quarter of 2012, despite the impressive economic performance since last year. But Valte claimed the government's anti-poverty programs like the transfer continues.
So apart from yung CCT natin, meron pa hong ibang initiatives yung DSWD. But of course, that is something that has to be balanced with the resources that we have now. So lahat naman po tayo, yun ho talaga yung pinagtutulakan natin. That's why, as Secretary Balisacan has said, we've identified priority areas where we can put in resources to be able to generate more jobs and to provide more to those who need it the most.
The Philippines posted a 6.6% economic growth last year, while the week was opened by an impressive record performance of the stock market index reaching the 7,000 level. Valte said the new optimism will translate into more investments and opportunities.
At alam naman po natin na kapag mas mataas po yung business confidence doon sa ating bansa, mas marami pong investors na na-attract na maglagak po ng kanilang pondo at lumalago po yung mga ating mga industriya. At kapag nangyari po yun, ang po natin ay lalo pong dumami yung mga trabaho at mas marami po tayong mga kababayan na makahanap ng mga ganitong trabaho. Which is why sa pagdating po ng Labor Day, magkakaroon nga ng malawakang job fair ang DOLE po natin.
The government will set up 70 jobs fair in 16 regions on Labor Day. Valte encouraged the applicants to visit the jobs fair that will give more than 400,000 local and overseas employment opportunities.
It certainly will not happen overnight. Alam naman natin yan. We have 3 more years to keep pushing on that front because everybody wants to see those numbers go down.
For the People's Television, Rock Ignacio.